OpenAI unveiled Sora on the third day of their 12-day event, and let me tell you, it's exciting and scary at the same time. Let's look at it and see how it compares to one of its competitors, Runway. Hey everyone, June here, and welcome back to the channel. Picture this. You describe a scene, and it comes to life right before your eyes. That's the power of AI video generators. They can take text prompts and convert them into realistic-looking videos. Look at these two videos, for instance. Which one do you think is AI generated? If your answer was this video, you're not wrong. But what if I told you both were generated with AI? Crazy, right? That is the power of AI. You can create ultra-realistic videos with a single prompt. But what sets Sora apart from other video generation tools? OpenAI showed some key features like storyboard. So on the storyboard, you have a timeline with individual frames, and at the bottom, there are the creation settings. The idea is you describe the scene in these frames, and Sora will try to generate a video based on the description. Now, you don't want to define each frame. Otherwise, Sora wouldn't have enough room to connect these ideas together. You can play around with it, but mostly you want a start, a middle, and an end frame defined, and then just let Sora connect the dots. Then you hit submit, and voila, you have a stunning video. Now, after the generation, Sora will give you multiple options. You can choose which one you like the best, and then edit the video, for example, trim it and add some new cards for a different ending. They also showed the remix function, which lets you edit the generated videos by simply commenting on them. Look at this demo where they turned the mammoths into robots. You simply go to the remix function and prompt the changes you want. Here you can select the number of variations you want, what resolution you want to generate the video in, etc. But the one I really liked is you can also select the strength of the remix, which basically tells Sora how big of a change you wanted the video. After selecting all the options, you can hit generate, and Sora will give you multiple samples to choose from. There's also a blend tool, which, well, lets you blend two videos into one. You can look at the two individual videos on top and the blended version of the two at the bottom. You can see the generated video transitions from the first video to the second. You can also bring photos to life with image to video generation. For example, you turn an image of a dog into a video of it smiling and moving its head. Sora can also extend any videos that you may have, both forward and backwards in time. I saw this demo video on OpenAI's website, and honestly, the generation looks great. I can't tell which part of the video is real or AI generated. You can see the bike sort of gliding at the start and a little bit towards the end. This is the issue most video generators have, and I will come to it later in the video, but for this video, it's barely noticeable. All of this is good in theory, but how does it perform in real life? Look at this video. It's nearly impossible to tell if this is real or AI generated, but it's not perfect. Sometimes you can see random objects just appearing and disappearing out of nowhere. The cracks start to show up even more in longer duration videos. Now, look at this video of a lady walking down a street. You might have caught her skipping a step, and if you look even closer, you may notice the left and the right legs get switched, with the left one leading in one frame and then switch to the right one in the next. Physics, in general, are hard for most video generation tools, including Sora. From what I've seen, Sora is great with scenic videos and general fluid movements, like waves or any form of liquid moving, but usually would mess up movements like walking or running. Now, consider the image to video generation of animating a surfer riding a wave. This requires the AI to understand and generate realistic water movement, the surfer's body mechanics, and the interaction between the two. In this generated video, you can see the surfer just flying in the air without a wave. This is a perfect example of the complex motion where Sora and other tools can fail. So, how much does Sora cost? To access Sora, you'll need to subscribe to OpenAI's Plus or a Pro plan. The Plus plan, priced at $20 per month, offers 50 generations, which should be sufficient for casual users. However, someone using this for their work may get the Pro plan at $200 a month. It provides 500 faster generations and unlimited generations at slower processing. Now, not saying $200 is cheap, but it can make sense to some people since it also gives you unlimited access to the GPT-01 and the Pro mode. Now, let's do a quick comparison of Sora and Runway Gen 3. We'll do a detailed comparison in a future video, but for now, let's take a look at the two in a quick face-off. Both platforms offer text-to-video and image-to-video generation, providing varying degrees of creative control. Both have communities where users can share creations, exchange ideas, and discover new possibilities. As for the cost, Runway's flexible subscription model with usage-based credits allows you to generate videos as you go. Sora's fixed number of generations per subscription tier might restrict some users, though its integration with existing OpenAI subscriptions simplifies access for those already within the OpenAI ecosystem. Few things I find interesting with Runway that I believe is not available on Sora is generating expressive characters. Using a video of yourself, you can create animated characters enacting the same scene with the same expressions. This can be huge in the animated video space, where currently the animators create the characters and animate them. Then the actors or voice actors voice them. This feature can really help ease up the animation process where the actors can also enact the scene while recording and the same emotion can be applied to the animated characters. Another great feature available on Runway is generative visual effects. This allows you to add visual effects based on the prompts. As a tool, Sora has the ability to transform the content creation space, but it's not completely there yet. It has its limitations as we saw earlier. The good thing is that OpenAI acknowledges them. They know it needs to be improved and constantly are trying to improve it. Hopefully the next generation would be even better. Sora's super powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility, right? We have to be careful because there's a real chance for misinformation to spread. You never know when a video of you may pop up on the internet which isn't really you, and that's scary. That's why it's super important to stay on top of things and set some solid ethical guidelines. So, what are your thoughts on this new world of AI-powered videos? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please hit that like button and share this video with anyone curious about the evolving landscape of AI. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more explorations of cutting-edge technology, insightful analysis, and thought-provoking discussions. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving world of AI.